Okay guys, so Devin and I are back again this morning. He's over there on the other side of the reeds fishing and I'm fishing on this side. And I'm gonna do a little slow drift. See if we can't start off the morning with the bass. I'm in the shallow waters. Not very deep where I'm sitting at the moment. I think it's about, I don't know, a meter and a half of water. Not very deep, but it's early in the morning, so I'm kind of thinking that they're all chilling in the shallow still, hoping I'm gonna have a little bit of a drift and we'll see how many fish we can catch and if we can weed through. There's the first one for the morning. Not a bad fish, not a big one by any stretch of the... There was up. Oh, got off. Never mind. He got off. Nie groter nie though. So I drew first blood, lost him, but I drew first blood. That wasn't a big fish, but wasn't a bad fish. I'm on one again. This is a very tiny bass. Wow. Sopped off the big one for the tiny one. This one was not coming off. Hippa. Oops. Oops. No. Don't do that. You're just gonna hurt yourself more if you do that. Okay, first one on the boat for today. 3 casts deep, 1 hooked and missed, and 1 caught. Not a bad start to the morning. Nou gaan ek daar toe gooi en kyk of dit nog daar is. Daar is 'n baie kleintjie as hy nog op is. Nee, hy's af. Hy's op, wragtig. Hy het net na die boot toe geswem. Is hy klein? Wat gaan aan? Hy is nie groot nie, maar skrik ek nou. Hy het definitief na die boot toe geswem. There we go. Third one for the morning. Alright. Fish surgery has been done. The bass has been unhooked and they will now be released. After I just revive him a bit. Back he goes. Strong as a fiddle. Laat ek die vis, maar dit is 'n kleintjie. I knew I was gonna catch it. There we go. Bitches. I'm sitting physically on the drop-off point where you can't see fish anymore, so that's a good spot to sit at. I'm throwing into the shallows, pulling my fluke through to the deeper water. Een. Oh, nie bad nie, nie groot nie. Beter as die ander. Nee, hy is klein. Hy het mooi beklei daar. Hou beklei daar. Ja, hy is 'n bietjie groter as dit wat ons nog die hele tyd vang. Sien jy? Bit bigger. Do some cheers, bro. Hy het hom nie baie aggressief gevat nie. Whoa. Acrobatics, my bro. Oh, I barely hooked. Oh, look at that. Yep, there you go. Just about to say, look at that for barely hooked. Not a big one. Another one. Daai taalwindow is in my hand. But a fish nonetheless. Oh, damn it, Darren. Will this be my hat trick? This was 2 fish, 2 cast, and I have a fish on. I have a hat trick. I have a hat trick. Woohoo! Hat trick bass. Wow, this is a tiny one for the hat trick. But, oh, catching a hat trick. 3 cast, 3 fish. This is a very tiny one. Sorry, bro. I think I almost hooked you through the brain. Hat trick bass. Hat trick bass. Thank you guys for coming. Cheers, bro. Back into the water you go. Hat trick. Hat trick, hat trick, hat trick. Turn. Woohoo! Okay, dan. Ja. Ek wou sê ek het jy, né? Weeding through the tiny ones, hopefully to get Big Bertha. Stop shaking your head, please. Please, sir. Please, sir. There we go. Welcome to another episode of Jan Can't Hold the Fish. There you go. There you go, cheers, back into the water. Baie klein bass. Yeah, Darren's not having the best of mornings. But he normally creams me, so... You know, even the pros have a bad day every now and then. He's dragging himself along by hooking rocks. But I get the sinking feeling, me tuning him will end up like him not catching as many fish as I do, but catching like a giant. Ends up catching a big pig of a bass and then makes me look silly again. Oh well, we'll see if that plays out. Hey Jan, Moya. Darren's on the board. I think it's a giant. I think it's a big one. Oh, he caught a plastic bag. Rarig. Darren has a bag over there. That pretty much sums up the morning for him so far. Shame. I thought he's got a big one. I was like, that's the giant I was predicting earlier. Right on cue. Darren catches a giant. Nice, Darren. Hold your bag up as a trophy. Let us see. Nice. Back into the water the bag goes. Wacht, jy moet hom dalk uithaal. Oh. Just as I said, I realized, listen, recycling, and Darren threw it in the boat, guys, don't worry. I'm just being a dumbass. So if you guys ever hear me say something stupid, just know it's my default mode happening. But I promise he recycled the bag. It's in his boat. Well, we're gonna chuck it away when we get back home. Alright, okay then, op die jerkbait. Woohoo! Woohoo! On the jerkbait, how fun is that? On the jerkbait. But this is where it gets sketch. Yep, okay, yeah, just release yourself, please. There we go. That works for me. Okay, guys, so we finished our little session. Darren now has to tie himself up to me because I have the little streamline canoe. I hope you guys enjoyed this session. I don't know where in what video this is going to be used. Oh, you guys are dirty. Let me just clean you guys off. Is that better? I hope that, no. I don't know anymore, I don't think that's better, I hope it is anyway. Hope you guys enjoyed. I don't know in which part of the video this is going to get used. Paul must decide. But yeah, that's it for me and Darren. I don't know, we have to go help my dad now with something. I don't know about the fishing further on, but I'm still yet to catch a big bass. My PB is still quite small, but yeah, it was a good session. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like down below if you liked. Stay tuned, a lot more content's coming. Darren, you want to say something? Subscribe. We have like a 10-minute row now, so cheers.